will discuss about the names of different vegetables. Part 1. Let's learn the names of different kinds of vegetables and also find out how those vegetables are good for our health. Come on, let's start. Carrot. Carrots help keep our eyes healthy and strong. Potato. A great source of carbohydrates, potato gives energy to play and learn. Spinach is full of iron and helps build strong blood and energy. Tomato, which can also be pronounced as tomato. Tomato contains antioxidants that help protect the body from illness. Broccoli is packed with vitamins that help boost immunity and keep the body strong. Sweet potato is rich in fiber and vitamin A for healthy digestion and good eyesight. Peas are full of protein that helps build muscles and growth. Capsicum, which are also called bell peppers. Capsicum is high in vitamin C, which helps keep the immune system strong. Pumpkins are rich in vitamins and help keep skin and eyes healthy. And lastly, Cucumber contains lots of water that keeps the body cool and hydrated. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of vegetables. And for more such fun videos and more videos in our Vegetables and Fruits series, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.